Hey guys, good morning. It is a Saturday. Welcome to a new vlog. We are in our new hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed that DIY video that I did, plus talking about my dating standards for 2026 because the girl not playing. We're just gonna get back to our normal self and just, raise back our standards. I think we did kind of reduce our standards a bit. So separate apart from that, it's a Sunday and I'm in the ATM line right now to deposit some money. Then after that, I'm gonna go by my mom to put some clothes in her machine. Then I need to go to Azan's to get because my tree, I'm still using the same decor and everything. I think it was silver and red last year. So I'm gonna I need to get a red ribbon. I think I want a red ribbon for the topping instead of the star that I have. I think it's a silver star that I have. So if I don't get a red ribbon, I can probably get a red star instead and just get a little more red decor, That's what we're up to for today. And then tonight we have a Soca event to go to. I have to swing by my friend's game night again. And then after that, I'm going to a Soca event. Y'all know when it comes down to me, I do have events on the weekend. But anyways, let's just get into this ATM line and do what we need to do, and we'll chat up later. All right guys, dropped off my clothes in the machine. Let's head to New Kingston. We're gonna go to the ATM first and then we're gonna go Azan. So let's get into this quick Saturday. It's 10:16 and we want to be off the road by midday.
Look what the hot body can do. Focus. Look what the hot body can do. Body be dancing, slow wine, so my body so fine. Try push when I met her inside. 2-1 and I met her inside. Makes sense, oh, makes sense. Oh my God, I need resistance. Fragrance running from my distance. Makes sense, oh, makes sense. Body be dancing, controller. I get remote from my holder. I make your body slow and I slow down. Put it on the low, no go loud down. You know the things I wanna do tonight. Unusual. Put it down, make I take away your peace of mind. You go blow like water, we get it freeze up like yeah. Open your eyes and look what the hot body can do. I say, look. Focus, look what the hot body can do. Body be dancing, slow wine, so my body so fine. Try push, and I met her inside. 2-1, and I met her inside.
So I am in the KFC drive-thru. Yeah, I'm hungry. I was going to go by my mom to get something, and then I'll go to the tailor to take him. Barbecue singer?
I don't know.
That's great. What kind of singer? Which one
I'm singer. Only spicy and original.
Every fucking time. Every goddamn time I come at KFC, I'm so disappointed. I'm so annoyed. Guys, I literally, listen, this is the reason why I don't go KFC, and it's literally just after 6 o'clock, and they don't have no barbecue at all. No barbecue in the chicken nor the burger. They're always annoying me. This is why I don't go there. And I wasn't going to go, I was just going to go to my mom and go to the tailor to adjust this shorts that I wanted to wear tonight, but I just decided, may I pass KC, I'm just turning on the drive-thru because the line wasn't long. That's the sole reason why I'm even going on KC, because the line wasn't long. But I am super pissed. I'm so annoyed. I can't see someone annoyed. Like, this is just so normal. That's why I don't go KFC. Anyways, Popeyes, the line is super long, the drive-in line. And I was looking on the inside too, and it had a little bit of crowd. So my next best bet was Burger King. So I'm here in Burger King line. The line isn't that long, so it's either, if the line was crazy, then it would have been jerk chicken. But I really wanted something burger, and I don't want a Chinese nor no rice, and I don't want any noodles. Anyways, we're in Burger King line, and hopefully they have bacon. I get what I want. Just gonna go home. And I'm wondering if I should just go stop by my mom, because I'm pretty close, but I just want to go home and eat because there's traffic on Red Hills Road too. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to my mom tomorrow. Like, anyways, we're just gonna thingy. Oh, my friend said the games night is not keeping tonight. I'm kind of super happy because I just want to stay home and relax until I'm ready to go out. And if I was going to the games night, I would have had to like start getting ready now and reach there by at least 8 o'clock. So going to the Soca party tonight. My friends and I are going. One of my friends said she's coming, so yay, I got company. And yeah, that's the vibe for tonight. Hear a little soca music. I haven't heard it in a while. And yeah, we'll pick up when I'm home. Getting ready.
Please add on for $300.
I can get that, please. The $300 one. And the soda, can get Coke.
Coke?
Yeah.
Honey mustard barbecue.
I ended up somewhere else. Okay, I just bring some food to my friend. Because in the drive-thru line we were talking, so just to bring some food for my friend. I forgot Burger King has the nuggets, vegan nuggets. It's so good, y'all. So I'm gonna eat and just relax. When I get home, I'll link you guys. Guys, how are we today? It is moving on to 11:20. Okay, the last time I was at Burger King, I dropped off the food to my friend. Yeah, so we're home and ready. Didn't have no time to do a get ready with me, and it wouldn't make sense. My last 2 vlogs, I think I was doing makeup. Y'all know how my face always beats and slay. There's not much to say right now because I'm running late. My friend is on the way. So get into the quick fit. We are wearing this cute Shein top that I had for many moons ago. This is a CK leggings, and we're wearing what's this called? K-Swiss sneakers. Like, get into the makeup. Okay, I don't have my light right now, but yeah, we did our makeup, and the hair, or at least the hairstyle, is doing nice and all. The girl is looking slim. She just need a little, around the rear area. And we're going to work on that for 2026. Okay? Anyways, I will see you guys at the event. If this is the last time you're seeing me, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Remember to subscribe. If not, you may see me tomorrow. And I think this is the last time you're going to see me for this vlog. But anywho, I'm going to show you highlights of the event. It's a soca party. Christmas season is coming up. Yes, I know a lot of people is still not feeling it because of what we just went through a month ago, but the season is still upon us. We still should celebrate, if you do celebrate Christmas, or just, we all know Christmas is a time where we get together with family and have fun, laugh. Christmas isn't the only time, but you guys know what I'm trying to say, so if you do have plans for Christmas with your family, or if you're traveling overseas or spending it, with whosoever, I hope you guys, have a good holiday despite of what we are going through. We'll chat another time, but yeah, fit, let's go.
Look what the whole body can do. Look. Focus. Look what the whole body can do. Body be dancing. Slow wine, so my body so fine. Dive push, when I met her inside. 2-1, and I met her inside. Make sense, make sense. Oh my God, I need resistance. Fragrance, when it from my teeth.